Hey, just a quick little chat about the affirmation I'm about to do. So the organ I'm working on is heart, which is part of the fire element in Chinese medicine. Now, the tuning forks that tested up were actually kidney and bladder. Now, kidney and bladder energy, or the water element, are to do with fear and anxiety. So when we have lots of fear and anxiety, that impacts via the co-cycle to the fire element, which includes the heart. Now, we've chatted about the heart before, and the heart has a huge amount of neurons. Secondary to the brain, it has more neurons in it than any other organ of the body. So when we are feeling our heart, when we are feeling our pain in our heart, it's physiological, absolutely. So basically that's the combination. So I'm going to be working the heart meridian, which runs from the armpit to the ring finger, and I'm going to be working the heart meridian. Just a little short one, I don't have much time. Have a fab day.